Imagine losing a large part of your muscle, so much that your body can't regenerate itself. This is what happens in volumetric muscle loss, a condition caused by injuries, surgeries, and genetic disorders. Right now, there is no efficient way to restore that lost muscle. One solution is to generate muscle stem cells in the lab, cells with the ability to repair and rebuild muscle. But generate those cells isn't as simple as it sounds. On their own, they don't fully develop, like trying to grow a tree without the right soil, sunlight, or nutrients. They need the support of other cell types to grow properly and function as true muscle building cells. My research is recreating that natural synergy, providing them the right environment for them to grow properly and regenerate muscle. Beyond helping patients regain mobility and independence, this research could revolutionize the treatment for conditions like muscular dystrophies and severe injuries. If we succeed, we could one day use patients' own cells to grow functional muscle, harnessing the body's own biology to heal itself.